Want us to draw for you? Just provide a blueprint or sketch, and we'll create professional 2D and 3D floor plans that you can download and print, and a complete RoomSketcher project. You can easily edit your floor plans in the RoomSketcher app, plus experience them in interactive live 3D, from above or right inside. To place an order, just head over to the RoomSketcher website on a computer, tablet, or phone, and click Sign In. To start the order, click New Project and then Order Floor Plans, and follow the steps. Add your project name, specify the number of levels or floors, and choose your furnishing. Where furnish is indicated means you would like to include the furniture you have on your sketch or blueprint. Fully furnished means that the illustrators furnish the project using typical furniture for the room types on the blueprint. And for unfurnished, you will get doors, windows, stairs, plus fixed installations like kitchen and bathroom fixtures when they're indicated on the blueprint. Then click Next. This is where you upload your blueprints. Each floor or level needs its own blueprint. Make sure there's at least one measurement on each blueprint to get the scale right. You can type a level name here. And if you're uploading a multi-page PDF, type the page number for the blueprint. Then click Upload Blueprint. Locate the blueprint and click Open. When you see your blueprint, click Next. Here's your order summary. You can review it, then click Place Order. You'll receive an email when the order is complete. It's that easy.